What's up everyone? Today I want to share my real-world experience using the Nikon Nikkor Z 24-70 f2.8 version 2 lens. Now I've been testing this lens out for a couple months now, taking it out to multiple photo shoots, and I also took it out for a video run to see how it performs for handheld work during a parade. Now this isn't a spec sheet breakdown. This is about how the lens actually performs while I was out shooting. For photography, this lens immediately feels very familiar, but more refined. I used it on fashion and model shoots where I constantly was moving, reframing, and reacting to moments, and the lens just kept up. Sharpness is of course excellent across the entire range. Autofocus is fast and confident, and it nails focus even when subjects are moving directly right into the lens. Skin tones look great, and I never felt like I was fighting the lens. But what really stood out to me, especially compared to the original version, is the weight. Hold up, quick interruption. We'll get back to the video in just a second. Now, are you tired of guessing your way through off-camera flash, building your portfolio, working with a model, or struggling to take better portraits in natural light? Yeah, I've been there.
Sign me up, because that's me.
Now is your time to learn from someone who's already made the mistakes so you don't have to. That's why I offer personal mentorship, online or in person. Whether you want to nail your lighting, sharpen your editing, or just want to stop making videos that look like crime scene footage, I got you. You don't have to figure this stuff out alone. Let's get your work looking like you actually meant to do it. Click the link below or head to robertsillphotography.com and let's get to work. Now, back to the video. The first thing I noticed when picking this lens up is that it's lighter than the original 24-70 f2.8 lens. Now I know that lens is a couple years old, so I won't get on it too much. The difference may not be huge on paper, but in real world shooting, it absolutely matters. For handheld photography, it feels way more balanced. For longer sessions, my arms never felt tired or fatigued at all. And if you shoot events, fashion, or anything fast-paced like a runway show like I do, this lighter build makes a world of a difference. Now let's talk about how this lens performed in a real event scenario. I paired the 24-70 f2.8 version 2 with the Nikon Z6 Mark III inside of a handheld video camera rig that I took out to shoot a parade. And honestly, that's where this lens really proved itself. When you're filming a parade, you're constantly moving, subjects are absolutely unpredictable, you're reframing fast from wide crowd shots at 24mm and tighter reactions at 70mm, and you don't get second chances. The internal zoom design made a huge difference here because the lens doesn't extend when zooming. The balance of my rig stayed consistent, there was no forward weight shift, and my movements felt controlled and stable. That kind of stability is critical when you're handheld for long stretches of time. Like for me, that was like 4 hours of shooting. Another underrated advantage, the 77mm filter size. Compared to the larger front element of its predecessor in other pro zooms, the smaller thread makes this lens lighter overall and easier to manage in a camera rig setup. It also keeps filter costs reasonable for your ND and polarizers, especially important for outdoor event videography like this parade. For run and gun shooting, this lens felt like a true all-around event zoom lens. Wide enough for environmental coverage, tight enough for subject isolation, fast autofocus for tracking movement performance, and lightweight enough to stay mobile. Paired with the Z6 Mark III, it just felt responsive. I wasn't fighting this setup at all. I was really enjoying it. I was really able to just focus on storytelling. And for event videography, that's exactly what you want. The autofocus performance for video is fast, quick, and reliable. Face and eye detection lock on confidently, and focus transitions feel smooth. It's not jumpy or jittery or distracting at all. For interviews, run and gun shooting, or fashion video clips that I have to do sometimes, I feel absolutely confident and comfortable trusting the autofocus performance from this lens instead of constantly pulling focus manually. If you're primarily a photographer, this lens delivers everything you would expect from a professional grade medium zoom lens. But if you're a hybrid shooter, someone who shoots both photos and video, the lighter weight and internal zoom design makes this version a fantastic upgrade. It's especially great for handheld video work, gimbal work, fashion, sports, or commercial shoots, and of course run and gun creators. Overall, the Nikkor Z 24-70 f2.8 version 2 feels like a lens that was clearly designed with modern hybrid creators in mind. If you've been on the fence about upgrading from the original, or you're looking for a workhorse medium zoom lens that handles both photos and video beautifully, this lens is definitely it. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like, subscribe for more real-world gear reviews. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.